if you don't support local, these little shops that people enjoy coming to, they are going to disappear off the high street and we'll end up with no high streets. I think our gifts is what sets us apart because they're so bespoke. You can't just buy that in Morrison's or Asda's or Tesco's. Our stuff is so bespoke, it gives a unique touch, and I'm hoping that's what will keep people coming to us. There's a lot of shops that people wouldn't know about. I don't think many people know that there's a woman's exclusive gym just across the road in another shop, and there's gift shops, there's a sweet shop, Twin Pet, food establishments, fruit shop, butchers. All these places I think got looked over a bit, and then when lockdown happened we seen a massive influx with everywhere local that could deliver, or if you could get to.
The pantry, most of the products there now are Welsh products, sourced locally. Preserves from Tonrevel, we've got honey from Bridgend. Coffee is sourced locally as well, but that's our own brand coffee. So, but the standard and the quality and the service is better. It's not just a come in and, oh yeah, there's your pasty. There's a conversation, do you know what I mean? And I think that's a big thing as well, especially for community, is having that conversation with, especially people that come in here, they're a lot older. That might be their only bit of conversation for the day.
People are coming back to high streets. People are venturing back into the high street for shopping. I think they're realising what they're losing, the community spirit and all the community things that go on. People like to come in because of our fish. Our aquatic side is quite good. We've got a lot of loyal customers that come back to us, and they travel from far and wide as well. People come in for lots of advice, yeah, lots. They need the information to set their tanks up. They always come to see us, yeah.